Had enough rain yet? Me too. I just wet my plants. All this rain, it's too much of a good thing. So who ordered these rainforest conditions anyhow, and did they order it on Amazon? I don't know. Mae West says too much of a good thing can be wonderful. Now remember, roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. That's why we're always encouraging people to add organic matter to the soil so we get that moist, well-drained soil. In regards to mulch, remember, again, too much of a good thing is not a good thing. It was F. Scott Fitzgerald who said, too much of anything is bad, but too much champagne is just right. Well, the just right amount for mulch in your landscape beds is about 1 to 2 inches. That's it. Daylight saving time came along this spring and it gave us, well, I guess you could say an extra hour of rain. Your landscape has taken a bath. And when you take a bath, sometimes you add something to the bath water. Your plants might appreciate it too. This Japanese maple has gorgeous natural yellow color to it. But if you have plants later this season that have yellowing leaves, and they should be green, you might want to consider using the same thing you'll occasionally use for a bath. Epsom salts. That's right, Epsom salts. The magnesium helps green up foliage if it's yellow between the greening veins of a leaf, or if the leaves are just simply yellow and shouldn't be. It's the sulfate in Epsom salts that will help your plant. So your plant would like to splish splash, take a bath, maybe on a Saturday night. Had enough rain yet? Me too. I just wet my plants.